Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to quickly show you how do you add a card on Revolut. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up your Revolut application. So tap on it, open up your application and make sure you are logged into your account as well. Alright, so once I've logged into your account, so what are we going to do next is click on the cards tab here. So if you're on your home, on your dashboard here, you will see a cards tab. So click on the cards tab. All right, and then what are you going to do? You're going to do like click on get cards. So click on the plus option here, get a card, click on it, and then here once you get to this this page here, so what you have to do is underneath you'll see an option called already have a Revolut card, link it now. So click on that option. So here all you have to do is enter the card number, the 16-digit card number on your Revolut card. So just enter that, just type in those card number and click on the link card options. Since I don't have my card, I'm not going to link it, so I can't link it. So all you have to do is just enter the card number and click on link card, and that's how you can link these cards. So hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.